If you're using Salesforce to run your business and looking for a better way to find, win, and keep customers, then it's time to make your Salesforce emails truly personal with BombBomb Video. You need to build trust, generate more replies, and create an unforgettable customer experience. But text-only communication can be forgettable. BombBomb enables you to leverage your team's greatest asset, which is you, on video, in email, directly within Salesforce, so that you can be seen, heard, understood, and most of all, remembered. BombBomb Video makes it easy to add webcam, screen capture, and uploaded videos to your Sales and Service Cloud emails. Our proprietary video technology encodes your video while you record so that your video is ready to send immediately. Admins can instantly share videos to the entire team so that everyone can send the same approved message consistently. And you decide how you want your email to look, like a simple one-to-one email or inside one of your branded templates. Every email send, email open, link click, and video play is logged as a Salesforce activity so that you can have visibility into your team's productivity and they can have visibility into their customer relationships. More than 40,000 business professionals are rehumanizing their communication through BombBomb Video. So if you're ready to deliver a truly personal customer experience and get face-to-face with video, request a demo of BombBomb today.